is 50 days to the Olympic Games in Tokyo, and we begin our countdown with a very special interview of Olympic silver medalist PV Sindhu. After Carolina Marin's withdrawal from the tournament, she is the overwhelming gold medal favourite at the Games. Thanks for joining me, Sindhu, at this hour. You had to wait for really long to change the colour of that medal. Tell us, how has the wait been, and is your mind and body in sync right now? 50 days to go for the Games.
Well, really excited and looking forward. Obviously, as you said, that is much waited, and it's been 5 years now, and now it's just 2 months away. So eagerly waiting for it and looking forward. Obviously, it'll be my second Olympics. So yeah, hoping to do well and get a medal for the country.
Sindhu, you are the only Indian woman in the field. No Saina Nehwal this time around. Tell us about the pressures.
Well, it's nothing like pressure, but or the expectation, but it's just that obviously people want, that medal, they want that medal. And since I got a medal at Rio, even in Tokyo, everybody would want me to everybody would expect that, that I need to get a better medal this time, change the color. So I would not say there might be pressure, but for me, it's just that I need to go into the court with just be focused and give my 100%. Yeah, that's it.
Sindhu, you have been preparing for the Games at the Gachibowli Stadium. Are you ready to defend the title in front of empty stadium? What sort of mental adjustments did you have to do?
We are getting used to it now, because I've played a couple of tournaments without no crowd, like for example the Thailand tour, and then the Swiss, and then England. So we're getting used to it, and also in training I don't think it should be a big task, because in training anyways you're going to play alone with with your coach and with a couple of players, like sparring partners. So it shouldn't be a big major issue, I would say, even though if it's like a lonely battle, or it would be nice with spectators. For me, anything is fine. So when you go into the court, I think you don't actually see, or you don't focus on what's happening around you, but it's just you focusing on the court and just play your best.
Now, you've moved out of the Kopichand Academy some time back, training under new Korean coach. How different has it been for you, and adjusting under a new coach?
Well, it's different. I mean, every coach has a different aspect. Every coach has a different thinking. So it's mostly like it's, with Gopi sir, it was a different, relationship, because as a coach, as a mentor, he was different. And now Mr. Park is very friendly, and, on court as a coach, they need to give their 100%. And sometimes, if you do mistakes, they're like, no, you're doing this mistake. It's important for them to actually go there and say, you shouldn't do that. So in that way, on court, yes, he's strict, but off court, he's friendly. So it's really a very good coach and athlete relationship, I would say, with Park coach. And we know each other since a very long time, but he came to India and I started coaching near him since 1.5 years. But before that also I know him, and he was very friendly always as a coach. He coached other countries, obviously, so.
Well, I'll ask you more about your new coach, but let me ask you about one of your friends, Carolina Marin, who has exited the Olympic field because of an injury. No Marin makes you an overwhelming gold medal favourite.
Well, it's sad that, unfortunately, right before the Olympics, well, just before 2 months, she getting injured, and she had to go for a surgery, which is sad, and hoping her for a good recovery, and hoping to see her soon. But yeah, a lot of people were saying, it's a good chance for you, but I would say it's not that I need to be overconfident, but I also at the same time I need to work hard, where it's not going to be easy, because I think the top 1 to 10 players in the women's circuit are of, same level, because you never know. Sometimes it might not be your day. Sometimes you might play brilliantly. So you have to make sure that every time you're in that top form and you give your 100%. So that's why I said, one match at a time, and yeah, just be focused.
Now, the women's field at the Olympic Games is very, very exciting. Tell us about your tough opponents in Japan. A year of coronavirus meant that you have not had a measure of the field as much as the others haven't had a measure of you. You've only managed to play 8 tournaments in the last 1 year.
As I said, everybody's of same standards, but I think there are a couple of players where I think Taizu is a very tricky player, and of course Ratchanok is a very skillful player, and also Okuhara. But as I said, everybody is of same form. You know, sometimes they win, sometimes I win. So it's like we are there. So it's just that on that day, who plays well and give their best is the winner, is what I feel.